Hello everyone! Everything I'm going to explain in this video comes from reliable information provided by the mechanics here in the shop, so don't worry. This can be fixed. When your Toyota shows the message, check electric power steering system, the car is basically saying, hey, I can't help you turn the wheel like I should, so I'm going into safe mode. The electric power steering system, or EPS, relies on an electric motor, torque sensors, and an electronic control module working together to make steering smooth and safe. If any of these components fail or don't receive enough power, the wheel can feel stiff and the system shuts down automatically. One of the most common reasons, according to mechanics, is a weak battery or unstable voltage. Since EPS relies entirely on electricity, any voltage drop can make the system think something is wrong and shut off. That's why many people resolve the warning simply by charging the battery, ensuring the terminals were clean, or replacing the battery if it was near the end of its life. If the battery is in good condition, the next step is to check fuses, relays, and electrical connections. It's important to note that a blown fuse or a loose connector can make the EPS stop working, and once repaired or tightened, the message disappears. This shows that you don't always need to replace expensive parts. Sometimes ensuring proper power delivery to the module is enough. When neither the battery nor the fuses are the problem, the issue may lie in the EPS module or the electric steering motor. Some customers at the shop reported that after checking everything else, replacing the module or the motor completely solved the problem. This makes sense because EPS requires the motor and sensors to work in sync. If one fails, the system shuts down as a safety measure. Another interesting detail is that the system can lose calibration after disconnecting the battery, impacts, or repairs, causing the steering position sensors to lose reference. Some people were able to clear the message simply by recalibrating the system with the proper tool, without replacing any parts. Even minor bumps or potholes can affect sensors or connections, so it's worth checking. Finally, the warning can sometimes appear due to general electrical issues, like poor grounding or voltage fluctuations, which affect multiple systems at once. In these cases, inspecting the entire electrical system and ensuring stable power usually restores EPS function.